Hello. Please follow these simple instructions to assemble your new motorized dining table. Before you begin, select an area where you would like to set the table with plenty of space. It is recommended that you assemble this product on a soft surface, like a rug or a mat, to prevent scratching the table. Remember, do not discard any of the packaging until you have successfully assembled the product, as hardware can be found in the box or underneath the product. First, unpack the frame of the table from the box. Set the frame facing down on a flat surface with the controls and keyhole facing up. If you have the metal base, place it on top of the frame and align it with the 4 holes on the frame. Insert the 4 small screws and tighten with the hex key provided. If you have the wooden base, place it on top of the frame and align it with the 4 holes on the frame. Place the metal plate on top of the base and align it with the 4 holes on the wooden base. Insert the 4 long screws starting from the metal plate through the wooden base to the motorized frame. Make sure they also enter the frame below and tighten after inserting the 4 screws into position with the hex key provided. Carefully flip the table and place it where the table will be used. For the extra long tables, there are 2 additional screws that must be placed on the sides of the middle of the frame for extra support. Take the main center top of the table and turn it upside down. Screw the 4 level wheels all the way to the end. Place the center glass on top of the rails and make sure the pins go inside the 4 cylinders on the frame, which are located in each corner of the inner frame of the extensions, and make sure the extension bars are in a downward position. This step will be repeated at each end of the table. Locate the table side extensions in the box and place the M8 by 25 mm screw with no head and tighten on all 4 corners. Place the adjusting wheel on each screw of the table extensions. This wheel will be used to level the extensions with the table. Place each extension carefully on top of the metal frame and align the sides with the center top. Use a leveler to make sure the extensions are leveled with the table. Then, tighten the extensions underneath the frame of the extensions with the M8 cap screw. After, use the hex key provided to tighten the center top. You have successfully assembled your new motorized table. Thanks for watching.